you're looking for a new lipstick, this Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey is a great option. So here's just a close-up of it. I'm going to do a demonstration on my lips and also put it on my hands so you can see what the color looks like and do a couple layers as well. So the actual container is pretty light. You can roll it up and down. Just want to show you kind of the size in comparison to my hand. I feel like I can throw this in almost any bag that I carry, even in my pocket, really, if you need to put it in your pocket. So, and you can see on the top there, I'm just going to put a little bit on my lips and then again a little bit on my hands so you can see the color. It goes on very smoothly, very easily, and just like one layer puts like a really beautiful color on your lips. And again, it's so smooth, it feels so good. And I usually wear probably 2 to 3 layers just because I like, it to look a little bit darker. But if you want the lighter color, see, that is the first layer. You can just do 1 layer if you want to, and see when you go back through that and add layers, the color just intensifies a little bit. So it's so beautiful. Again, I feel like this color is just so beautiful. It looks great on, it feels great on, and it has been one of my absolute favorites for as long as I can possibly remember. I love it. I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10.